Welcome to the Friendly English Podcast. Learn English easily, naturally, and with fun.
Hi everyone, welcome back to the Friendly English Podcast. I am Sophia, and I am so happy you are here with me today. If Christmas is coming soon in your country, or even if you just enjoy learning about different holidays, today's episode will feel warm, easy, and full of useful English. Maybe you want to talk about your Christmas day in English. Maybe you want to wish your friends a happy holiday. Maybe you want simple sentences for daily conversation. I know it can feel difficult to speak about traditions, feelings, and activities when you are still learning English, but do not worry. I will guide you like a friend. We will go step by step, and everything will be simple, clear, and natural. Today, we will learn how to talk about Christmas Day in English. You will learn daily phrases, easy conversation patterns, repeat after me practice lines, fun expressions, new vocabulary, and a short reflection at the end. Take a deep breath. Relax your shoulders. You are doing great. Let's begin. When Christmas is close, many people feel excited but also a little stressed. There is planning, buying gifts, meeting family, cooking food, traveling, and preparing the house. Even talking about Christmas in English can feel scary if you do not know the right words. But listen to me, your English does not need to be perfect. It only needs to be real and honest. And today, I will help you talk about Christmas Day with confidence, even with simple words. Let's start with very easy sentences you can use to describe your Christmas Day. 1. Talking about the morning. On Christmas morning, many people wake up early. They open gifts. They drink warm drinks. They relax with family. You can mix them to describe your morning. 2. Talking about traditions. Different families have different traditions. A tradition is something you do every year. Choose the ones that match your life. 3. Talking about food. Food is a big part of Christmas. My favorite Christmas food is... 4. Talking about feelings. You can also talk about how you feel. 5. Now let's practice together. I will say a sentence. You repeat after me. Say it out loud. Do not be shy. Speaking is the best way to learn. One more time. Nice and slow. Great job. Let's learn 2 fun Christmas expressions. Idiom 1. The Christmas spirit. This means the happy, warm, kind feeling people have during the holiday season. Idiom 2. White Christmas. This means a Christmas day with snow. Cultural tip. In many countries, people say Merry Christmas to wish someone a happy holiday. You can also say Happy Holidays if you want to include all celebrations. Here are 5 useful words. 1. Tradition, meaning something you do every year. 2. Celebrate, meaning to enjoy a special day. 3. Grateful, meaning feeling thankful. 4. Decorate, meaning make something look pretty. 5. Peaceful, meaning calm and quiet. Before we finish today's episode, I want to speak to your heart. Learning English is not always easy. Sometimes you feel slow, sometimes you feel shy, sometimes you think other people speak better than you. But please remember this. Every small step you take is progress. Every new word you learn is growth. Every mistake you make is part of your journey. You are learning a new language. You are opening your world. That is something to be proud of. So today, I want you to write in the comments, how do you celebrate Christmas in your country? Tell me one thing you do on Christmas Day. I read your comments, and they make me smile. If you enjoyed this episode and want more easy English lessons, do not forget to subscribe to the Friendly English Podcast. We learn together, step by step. Thank you for spending your time with me today. I am sending you warmth, peace, and encouragement. You are doing amazing.
Thanks for listening to the Friendly English Podcast. Keep learning, keep growing. See you in the next episode. Like, share, subscribe.